Good morning to everyone. Today
Good
we are
morning.
discuss. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, shall we start today class? Today class is already we discuss lot of protocols, internet communication, hardware devices as well as software devices, and HTML. And last we discuss about some basic things about HTML. Just go through it. Hypertext markup language used to create a web pages. Then web page with having lot of graphics as well as video animations, sounds as well as all kind of as your wish. Most essence of the HTML program is tags. The tags are enclosed with the angle bracket. Like for example, I is a italic kind of formatting we have to use it for font, just slanting the style of the font. Okay, every tags are having same format but just end with slashes. So opening and closing tags for many but not all tags. Okay, the affected text is between the two tags, opening as well as ending tags. Okay, more tags. The opening and closing use the same command except the forwarding slash. We are open with the bold tag in within the angle bracket B and end with the slash forward slash B. Okay, both are the same format but end with the forward slash. Okay, okay. Then nested tag. Nested tag means the tag inside the another tag. That is called a nested tag. Whenever you have a HTML tag within other HTML tag, here we are using a header tag. Header means H1 is a header information. Okay, inside this header tag, we are using the italic formatting kind of tag. So the first closing tag is a italic tag. After that, the header tag will be H1 will be closed. So it is called a nested tags. Okay, wow. Everything visible? Is it audible, students?
Yes, sir.
Are you okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for your acknowledgement. Okay, okay, okay. Structure of the web page. When you are writing your own HTML program, this is the basic structure. All web pages share a common structure. Okay, everything started with the HTML, end with the slash HTML. Then heading tag, title tag, then closing of title tag, then close it of header tag, then start with the body tag, then closing content with the body tag, then end of the HTML tag. This is the structure of one web page program. Okay. What is title tag? Your web title tag is you have to choose with very carefully because every search engine like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera Mini, Internet Explorer, these are all the search engine. To determine ranking purpose, you have to choose carefully. Okay, title base பண்ணி தான் என்ன செய்வாங்கன்னா they have to provide a ranking to that web page. Okay, so before you have to decide the title, you have to choose the specific, unique, and easy to understandable names. Okay, wow. Then the title will also appear on favorite list as well as history list and bookmark list to identify your page. Most of the like IRCTC, kalasalingam.ac.in, these are all the web pages. We have to bookmark that in your laptop or mobile phone because of we have to reach frequently used, so that we have to bookmark and add it into the favorite list. So you have to handle with the proper title. Okay, wow. Before you have to design your own web pages, you have to give your proper title with the easy to understand others or client. Okay. Next is a text formatting. Manipulating a text in HTML. If you are doing some manipulation like insert, delete, and some of the operation you have to do, you have to manipulate some text in HTML. Some of the trickies will be followed. Because of the what you see is not what you get. Okay, wow. Some of the contents you have to see, but not your need. Then the special HTML tags are needed to create paragraphs as well as move text to the next line, or some of the header creating tags. It will be used to formatting a text. These are all the tags already discussed in last class. Purpose of the tags are explained inside this formatting with proper explanation of the example. For B tag, that is called a bold face of the font. When you are provide a bold font in web pages, you have to use the B tag, end with a /B. Okay. Then the italic tag is used for just slanting the text formatting. You have in between the I within angle bracket plus with the end of the italic tag. For what all the need of what you have to do with underlined very important keyword, you must underline. Okay, so that we have to use the U tag, underline tag, for the formatting of the paragraph or profile, resume. Some of the place you have to use the U tag. Okay, then the next tag is P tag. P for paragraph. If you are starting a new paragraph inside the web pages, you have to use the P tag. Okay, end with the /P. The difference of the P and P. The B is you have to change the face of the font. OP. P is a you have to start a new paragraph. Okay, don't forget. The next formatting of the text tag is BR tag. BR means breaking the statement and initiate the new line of the statement. Okay, here there is no forwarding slash because of every BR tag is considered as a breaking that line, so should not end with a /BR. Okay, so these are all the 5 tags used for formatting a text in a web pages. Okay, changing the font. Changing the font means if you are using Microsoft Word, we are using lot of font face. For example, in that we are changing the font. For example, changing the font mean here we are shown the lot of fonts like Times, Algerian, Arial black, Arial narrow, Arial rounded, empty bold. So these are all the several font face. You have to change according to your need. Okay, as well as it will reflect on your own designing web pages. Okay, the next one is a font size. If you change into 8, it will be shown look like very small. Then if you increase the font 16, 18, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 54, 60, 66, 72, 80, 88, 96. So according to that range, the font will be changing. Okay, wow. So finally fix as a 40 as a font size. Okay. These are all the change performed in PowerPoint presentation. But in your web pages, you have to choose the font face using the font tag, and the face mean you have to choose the Times New Roman, Arial black, Courier. These are all the font face you have to use for your text in on web pages. Okay. The next one is to change the size of the text. Here we have to change using the drop down list box 30, 25 as your wish. You have to choose the font base in PowerPoint. But web pages, you have to mention that inside the font tag, font size equal to n. N mean the n range is between the 1 and 7. End with slash font. Okay. Okay. Then changing the plus color of the font. Font is the following color is the attribute of the font. Is a COLOR. In English, COLOUR. Okay. Exact color spelling is COLOUR. But here in computer programming as well as HTML programming, only used this kind of spelling COLOR. So based upon this color attribute, you have to change the corresponding color, red, green, blue for the font. Okay, wow. Okay. You have to change the color according to the decimal value. Start with 0, end with F value. Hexadecimal meaning value means 0 to 15, total of 16 value. Okay. Binary na 0 ones because of bypass having a 2-way, bicycle having a 2-wheel, binary digit have 2 digit. Okay, octa value nanu. Octa mean 8. Octa value. Octa 8. 8 what? Okay, so 8 digit having a octa value. Octal value. Okay, octal value only having the 0 to 7 value. Okay. Minimum range is minimum value is 0, maximum value is 7. Total digit is 8. Okay. Decimal value is 0 to 9. Okay, total decimal means 10 digits, 0 to 9. Then another one value is hexadecimal. Hexadecimal from the range to 0 to 15, total 16 digits are having. 0 to 9 and 10 represent as a 10 represent as an A, and 11 represent as an B, 12 represent as an C, 13 represent as an D, 14 represent as a F, sorry, E, 15 represent as a F. Okay. A corresponding 10 and F corresponding as the 15. So combination of this hexadecimal using hash symbol, we have to represent the hexa value. The first 2F is denoted as a red color of the font. Then second 2F is denoted as a blue color of the font range. Then last 2F represent as a red, green, blue. The final is a blue. Okay. If you fix as a F, 6F means it will be the font color is a white. If you represent as a 000 like 60, it will look like as a black color. Okay. Okay. Then if you mention in FF 0000 means it will show your font as a red color. Okay. If you put a F in the middle, it will look like green color. If you put a F in the last 2 digits, the font will shown on the page is a blue color. Okay. Yeah. So you have to change the font color using the color attribute. Color equal to red, and instead of color you have to mention the hexadecimal representation FF, the similar kind of red color you have to use it. Okay. Okay. The next one is a font size. Okay. These attributes can be combined to change the font size text. Okay. Here we have to use the example font size equal to 4, font face equal to Courier, okay, color equal to red. We have to end with /font. Okay. Okay. Next one is heading. What is heading? Web pages are typically organized into a section with the heading. In H1 having a large size of heading. H7 means small size of heading. Okay. So that they have to represent the syntax as a HN to /HN. The N is a range between 1 to N. 1 is a very high heading font. 7 is a small size of heading. Okay. Okay. Next is a aligning text. How to align your text? What is you have to mean that align text? If you are aligning your text, there are 4 kind of alignment will be there in PowerPoint presentation. For example, here every text is aligned in a left alignment format. Here we are having a 4 alignment: alignment left, alignment center, alignment right, alignment justify. If you are changed into the left alignment to center alignment, the text will shown look like this here. Okay, this is the center alignment. Then you have to change the paragraph in right alignment. Okay, it is the right alignment of paragraph. Okay, justify. This is the justified alignment. The justification purpose is every line end with this. Okay, if we should not justify, it will look like it's a left alignment. Okay, for example, this is a left element. Here, some of the stacked line will be the staggered steps. Stair step. Okay, this line end with here. This line end with here. Okay, similar to this line end with here, and this line end with here. The third line end with here. So every line end with a different position. But if you change the aligning of the paragraph, right left alignment into justification, every line end with the same position. Okay, for if we choose the justify, okay, every alignment will be end with the same here up to margin. Okay, this is the purpose of justified aligning format used in here PowerPoint presentation. But in web pages, we are using the alignment text using a align tag. Okay, the align attribute can be inserted into paragraph tag. Align is not a tag. Align is attribute of the paragraph tag. Okay, you have to align the text according to the your wish, like center, right, left, and justify. Here, for example, H1 is a tag and align is a center. The Kalasalingam University will look into the very first of the statement and in your web pages, and the alignment of the text is a center. Okay. Shall we proceed with the example of last class, or next we have to like comment statement. After that we have to go to the practical class. Okay, comment statement mean the HTML browser, for example web browser, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, should not consider this kind of tag. Okay, the comment statement is just helpful to the code developer. Okay, because of comment statements are nodes in the HTML code. Explain the important feature of the code. What are the code? What are the code we have to use for some specific purposes, so that it should not appear on the web pages. Okay, it will just helpful to the developer, code developer or web developer. Okay, don't appear on the web pages. So useful to refer to author of the page and other programs. How to create a comment statement using an angle bracket. Following the angle bracket, you have to use the exclamatory symbol and hyphen symbol end with the angle bracket. So this is the comment tag. The browser should not consider. Okay. The next statement is tag is infamous. Infamous means most probably this tag is not used. Okay, but some of them are used for the some other purpose. Okay, blink the text for the web pages using with the b-link tag, end with the / b-link tag. Okay. Okay. The main purpose, the text will be linked to the web pages. Okay. B-link tag is blink tag is not supported by Internet Explorer. Okay. Blink tag is mainly used for some other browsers, web browsers like Chrome, Firefox, and Opera, but should not supported by the Internet Explorer. Okay, this is the main use of the blink tag. If you wish, you have to use it in your web pages. Okay, page formatting. Page formatting. Why we use this kind of tag? Here we are using the base font size and PG color. PG mean background. Okay, use the PG color attribute in body tag. You have to change the background of your web page color. Okay, previous example we have to change the font color. Here we are changing the background color of the web pages. Okay, how to change the background color? Using the body tag. Instead of body tag, after body tag you have to use the body PG color attribute. Red in the web page, the web page background will be shown in a red color. Okay, okay. The base font size is equal to n min. You have to define the size of the text. Okay, next we shown your own example like HTML. Get the example. Body PG color is the attribute. Okay, background color is denoted as a black. Text color is white. Base font size equal to 7. Okay, one paragraph or like this is where you would include the text and the image on your page. You have to write something else like this kind of word, then immediately close the body tag as well as HTML tag. Okay, shall we execute this program?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we have to write our copy into the notepad. We have to open a new window. We have to save this program in d:/HTML program folder. The file name is example.d.html. Okay, then it will be saved. Okay, everything visible to everyone. Okay, we have to save it and we have to run. Okay, Control O. O mean open dialog box will be shown to you, where we have to store the file. The file is stored into the D column. The folder is HTML program. The file name is example3. Okay. Okay. Here one sentence, there is where you would include the text. There is where you would include the text and the images on your web pages. Here color is shown, the text color is black color. The background color is green color. Okay, wow. But we are writing here PG color is black, text is white. Why? I think something we will use this here. Red. See. There is no changes. Instead of it will be shown various values.
Sir,
Yes,
for background color, we'll be writing background color, na, sir.
background mean web page background.
Background color, we'll be writing syntax as background, na, sir. BG.
BG color da.
Okay.
Wait, you will see. Body style background color. Here use the style equal to background color equal to gray. Not use the peachy color. Here another one example will use. These are all the web browser to support that. Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox, Safari, Opera. Some of the body tags should not support that kind of tag, so that it will not executed in a Chrome browser. Okay, wow. Okay. What is the reason you have to? Here background color specified in a hexadecimal using a CSS, cascading style sheet. Based upon the process, they have to write the PG color as well as background color and using some of the codes here. Here body text is equal to green, PG color is equal to orange. Okay, wow. Here first line is a command line. Command line means the browser should not execute this line, but the user easily identify whether this is a command line. Okay, you have to use document type is HTML. So the document is mainly used for HTML. So HTML is used for designing a web. So from the HTML, you have to easily identify this is the HTML file. Okay. Body color. This is also a command line. It should not be run on your browser. It's also used for a body tag starts here. The author easily identify. Oh, here only the body tag will be started. Okay. Body text is equal to green. PG color equal to orange. The alignment is center. Okay. H1 equal to H1 mean it will be larger size. For example, Kalasalingam University. And H2 is a something smaller size compare than H1. Okay, wow. Okay, you have to mention in Tamil Nadu. Okay, H2 is a something lower. Okay, end with slash H2. It is a Kalasalingam University is a Academy of Research and Education Institute. Yeah. Okay, end with center, end with the paragraph tag, close the. Okay, we have to save and execute the program. How it will be shown to the user. Okay, yeah. PG color attribute. Why it will be shown, I will discuss. PG color attribute. It is a PG color attribute is here. Indian book. Okay. Now we have to save and execute this program. Instead of execution, you have to press the F5 or refresh. Okay. This is the web page. You have to create it now. Okay. Kalasalingam University, Tamil Nadu, India. It is the academic of. It is the Academy of Research and Education Institutes. You have to mention it is an. Okay. Are you got everything? Students, is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Kalasalingam University is a header. 1. Tamil Nadu, India is a header. 2. H1 is a Kalasalingam University. H2 is a Tamil Nadu, India. And it is an academic of research and education institute.
Paragraph.
Now, paragraph tag. Here we see the everything. Body text is equal to green color. So every text in your web page is in a green color. Okay. Then background equal to orange. So it will be on orange color. So the alignment of the heading equal is a center. Okay. So H1 is the first heading, H2 is the second heading. The following paragraph will be shown. If you are using a break tag, you have to add the another one tag. Okay. Then end with /p. Then closing the center alignment. Then you have to close the body tag. Okay. Wow. Starting a body tag here. These are all the attribute of the body tag. Text is equal to green, PG color equal to orange. Okay, wow. The alignment center. These are all the attribute of the particular tag, like body tag. Every tag or some of the tag having a attribute. Okay, wow. Okay. Today we are discuss this kind of things. Okay, what we have to discuss next? Inserting and images. How to insert a images using a IMG tag. IMG mean image tag. Okay, image source equal to image dot extension. The image dot extension indicates the location of an image file. Okay, for example, if you are having one image in a D:/HTML program, then it will be mentioned in the image source. Okay, based upon that, file will be executed. Okay, okay. Shall we discuss about this inserting an images? Okay, we will discuss about how to insert an images. First, we will go to save on images. Okay. For example, Kalasalingam Institute. ஏதாவது ஒரு இமேஜ் எடுத்து டவுன்லோட் பண்ணிக்கிறோம். இல்லை நம்ம வெப்சைட் கூட போனீங்கன்னா வெப்சைட் போவாங்க வேற எங்கேயும். Okay, first university in India to have 11 accredited BTech program. We have to save this image, save images. Okay, wow. KLU. அப்படின்னு எங்க சேவ் பண்ணீங்கன்னா you have to save in whatever location, but you have to save in our own folder HTML program KLU.jpg. Okay, wow. JPG is a image file extension. Okay, that will download it from the our university. That image look like, yeah, this is the our Kalasalinga University image with some information will be shown into our website. So we have to download this image from our website. Okay, we have to use for our own web page design. Okay, wow. Okay, here we are closing. Okay, we open it. How to using that image tab? We have to image source. We have to write here image IMG SRC. Image source is a tag. Image is a tag. Source is a attribute of the tag. Okay, equal to image dot extension. Equal to image dot extension. Okay. Image name is KLU.jpg. Okay. KLU image. Okay, we have to save this file. And run into the, okay, wow. Here display that image. KLU. Here we are using one image. Okay, wow. It will show everything, but the image is very large. Okay, wow. So you have to reduce the size of the image. Okay, wow. In our web pages we are having a image using the image tag. How to change the image size? Using the width is equal to some size, height is equal to some size. Okay, wow. According to that size, you have to change the size of the image. Alternate text. Some browser does not support the images. Okay, wow. So you have to use the alternate text ALT command for the image. If you supported, you have to use the image. Otherwise, it will use the ALT attribute. Can be used to create the text that appears instead of the image. Using the ALT, that image will be shown. Picture of satellite. Okay. 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 This is the another one kind of approach in your web pages. It is called a link. Okay. First, we have to reduce the size of the image. Image source equal to KLU dot, or you have to simply close this and mention the width equal to some size 300 and height equal to 400. Okay, wow. Okay, then you have to save. You have to run. Okay, wow. Something reduce. Okay, once again you have to reduce the height also. $200. $150. You have to save it. Then you have to rerun. Okay, wow. Here we are put our university image. In very short, it will be look like 100 and comma 100. And you have to change the alignment, center alignment. Otherwise, you have to just copy this image into center alignment. You have to paste in the after completing the paragraph tag. Okay. Okay. Because of that center alignment will be closed after paragraph tag. So the image also automatically come under center alignment. So we are put into the KLU.jpg source with this 100, 8 is equal to 100. So you have to file, save and refresh that the pages. It will also in center. Okay, wow. Here we are designing our web pages. This is the one kind of approach to put here our image, whatever image. For example, I have to put here our Kalasalingam University image because of we are mentioning the header in Kalasalingam University, so that we have to put Kalasalingam. For example, if you are developing your own web pages, you have to put your name and you have to place your photograph or your home photograph or your family photograph. Based upon that, page will be shown to the user. Okay, well, you have to reduce some sizes. Okay, okay, yes, I have to choose H4. Okay, here H5, header 5. Up to 7 you have to choose it, but here now you are using header 5. Here H4. Okay. file, save. You have to check it. Okay, something reduce some size. Letter 1 to you have to change the letter size. So letter 5 into letter 2 into letter 5. You have to reduce the size of the web page. This is a example 3 web page creation. Okay, okay. Then next example is a link. Link mean when you are pressing that link, that will redirected into some other page. Okay, For example, here we are using the links. Let's you move from one page into another page. Okay, இப்போ வந்து நீங்க ஆன்லைன் பர்ச்சேசிங் ஓகேவா these are all the operations you have to perform. After pressing some detail, that will go to the detail page. Okay, shirt color, shirt description or mobile description, configuration of the mobile, size of the mobile, and memory capacity. These are all the next detailed in the next web page. Okay, so you got to use the link that will move from one page to another page. Okay, playing movies and sound, sending a mail, downloading a file, and other. These are all the way you have to provide a link to the web pages. A link has a 3 parts. First one is a destination part, and a label part, and a target part. Okay, how to create a link? Link using a tag. A mean anchor tag. Without anchor, you should not create a link. Okay, so anchor tag is a tag. href. Okay, href is a page. How to refer the hyperlink reference. Page.html is another file. If you are pressing that file, it will move to the file from the label. Label is having only a linked content. Okay, after that you have to close into the link tag. Okay, shall we discuss about, or shall we go to the example of this? Okay, you have to copy from this. Copy. Again, we have to put into our same example. Alasaling and university example is very useful. Here we have to put that example. A tag. Yeah. Page.html. We are providing a page. Instead of page.html, Alasaling. AU.AC. In. Okay, here you represent the label. In which label you have to give, it will show in a blue color. Okay, okay. Okay, you have to save it. Save. And you have to execute. Okay, everything shown to your eyes. Is it visible or not? Hyperlink. Sorry, link. Students,
No, sir.
Nova. Okay, we have to maximize the window. Okay, yeah. Visible or not?
Sir, is visible.
Visible.
Yes, sir.
Visible, sir.
Now it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
sir.
This is the okay. This is a KLU is a label. Okay. Here we are mentioning KLU. Okay, it is a label. Here only we provide the link for this reference. What is the reference? KLU.ac.in. Okay, wow. Okay. If you are clicking to this, your file was not found. Okay, wow. Because of that file is not. So you go to www.klu.ac.or HTTP. Simply you have to copy from the Kalasaling University web address. Sorry, kalasalingam.ac.in. Yeah. Save. Okay, now you have to close that web pages. Otherwise, you have to simply provide link to the user. We are downloading one document, Kalasalingam document. Okay, we are having a March newsletter. We have to download from the net. Okay, it have more or less 12 pages totally. Okay, wow. This newsletter, Care E newsletter, March 2019. Okay, this file is downloaded from our Kalasalingam University website. After it downloaded, you have to provide the link for this file. I think it have more size because of it have lot of image file. So each and every image file having a some size 5 MB, 6 MB size. So it will have some more times. Okay, I think every pages will be shown to you. Greater than 10 MB. So file name is March 2019.pdf. Okay. இப்போ இதுக்கு என்ன பேர் இருக்குன்னா ப்ராப்பர்ட்டியில் போய் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா d:: HTML programs / மார்ச் ஃபைல் நேம் வச்சுருக்கோம். அங்கே கொண்டு போய் நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும், மார்ச் 2019 ஃபைல் அங்கே கொண்டு போய் still now downloading. When you are pressing the scale label, it will open into the PDF March 2018. So that we have to download this file. Still now download. I think no size greater than 20. Shall we move to the next document or exam? Okay. We have another file, entrepreneurs development. Or this is also a d:: internet file. We have to pass it this download because very large is pass. Cancel. We are already using a lot of files, so we have to reduce the size. We have to create a we are using a very good example. It is the ECE PDF. These are all the list of students in this subject. So we have to use this for our reference. Okay. C: users. We have to provide the hyperlink. instead of that, you provide the our subject. How to design? Internet and this. Next. Okay. Then you have to save. File save. You have to refresh that web pages. You have to refresh. Okay. Here, internet and web design. It's also your file was not found. You are already create correct example. Then why it will be shown error? HREF. Everything correct, but it's not executed properly. There is no space between everything. A only having this space. Double quote, double quote. HREF. We have to mention in a small letter. Then instead of that, we have to save. But HTML is not at all a I don't know what is the yeah, then we have to choose our own website, Kalasturi University website. We have to check it for this. It will be working. Directly redirected into the Kalasturi University web pages. Okay, wow. Okay, very good. Okay, students, are you got students.
Sir,
When you are pressing that link, it will redirect into the our university website. So you have to provide the hyperlink. Okay, yeah. Okay, Abba.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Is there any query regarding link? Students, any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. Just to provide the link for that corresponding website, and then you have to redirect into the link. This is the label. It will provide the hyperlink. It is the reference link. The reference link is maybe a already downloaded file or a online reference. Okay, wow? The tag is a anchor tag. ANCHO anchor. It will provide the link between visit label as well as reference. Okay, wow? So we have already discussed in the area to create a link from your destination and label and target. The target here is a Kalasalingam University web page. Okay, you have to provide the label visit KLU through the anchor tag. Okay, okay. The next tag is a exam lab link, or here already provide the kalasalingam.ac.in for KLU. Then another kind of example, www.cnn.com through CNN as a label. Okay, wow? Okay. Okay, next is here changing the color of the links. Changing the color of the links means link, visiting link, active link into the body tag. Okay, wow? There are 3 types of link. In default, using the link tag, you have to provide the link color. Okay, wow? That they have not be visited. For example, in last previous example, we have a blue color link. We have a blue color link in a link. Then after visiting that label, it will change some color. Okay, well, then after, if you should not use that link, it will look like as a link, active link. So these are the type of links. Using links to send email. Via link, you have to send your email. Okay, how to send an email? Through a tag reference, and within a reference, you have to mention your email address, and you have to provide the label as your name. Okay, here we are denoting that example. I will type here mail to my official mail ID s.karthi at klu.ac.in. You have to provide the link for email Karthik. So when you are running this program, it will pressing email Karthik. It will directly redirect into the start Karthik at klu.ac.in. So you have to easily forwarded into this email. Okay. This is the anchor enabled to jump or move into the place, specific place like a tag, anchor tag. Okay. How to create and how to provide everything we have to discuss. We have to discuss in last class, last session, using the a create a anchor, a tag, a name, and denote the label as KLU using the anchor name klu.ac.in. So already discussed it. Okay. Similar that link you have to provide your like for table of contents, introduction, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. You have to provide the link for the downloaded document as well as PDF and the image file. You have to create the anchor tag for the link for the already downloaded content. Okay, you have to create a link for web link as well as document link. Okay, here we have to use link for the document introduction chapter 1, chapter 2. Okay, using the a anchor tag. Okay, next one is a list. List means if you type one by one, that is a list. Okay, every list will be classified as a two type, order list as well as unordered list. Here we are shown on order list example. Order list is a list of numbered item. Here using the OL tag, we have to order the number 1, 2, 3. Okay, using the LI tag, we have to list that element. Using the OL tag, order list tag, we have to order the sentences. Okay, end with slash OL tag. Then output of the OL tag is 1 point. This is the step 1. 2 point. This is the step. So this is called a ordered list. Using the OL tag, you have to show in your website. Okay. Okay. Using this order list tag. Okay. We have to change the size. You are using the BF tag here. Then after visiting list, it will show some of the order lists. Here we are using the CSC ECE through check. Biomedical. Okay, we have to order according to that. So we have to check with this example. We have to adjust this. Okay, it is our overall address, Kalasan University. Oh, so these are the list. 1 CSE, 2 ECE, 3 Triple E, 4th one is a Puttaki. We are under center element so that it will show is in the, like this. If you using in without center, it will look like very nice. Yes. After using the center element, you have to change into the triple E. Okay. I will see. Okay, wow. It is called a ordered list. Okay, wow. These are all the department having the Kalasalingam University, CSE, ACE, EEE, Food Tech, Biomedical. Then you have to increase the IT, Biotech, and catering department, arts and science, humanities, everything you have to add according to your need. Okay, wow. Then the another one is here. Unordered list. Using a UL tag, you have to list the content of the web page. Okay, wow. The unordered list denoted as a UL tag. End with /UL. Using the dot and some of the unordered list element will be there. Here, dot circle will be shown to the web page output. Okay, wow. Filled circle. There are type, there are circle with a round bullet and a square correspond to the square bullet, and disk correspond to a solid round bullet. Okay, this is the default value of the unordered list. Here we are choosing this unordered list example. Okay, we have to mention some unordered list here. What are the unordered list? Some schools, School of Computing. Your school name is School of SIDA. Sweet. This is another one. So you have to unorder it. Save and deposit in your website. Below that, you will show. Okay. These are all the school name. You have to unorder list type. Okay, students, are you got everything? Order list, unordered list, and a link provided to email ID as well as document PDF, and put an image as your own image into your website, and a paragraph tag, then header tag, and the bold, italic, underline. You have to choose according to your wish. Okay. Are you having any doubt? Students, please raise your questions. No. If you have any question, you have to ask. Okay. In which time you have to write that quiz exam? 8 p.m., 8:30 p.m. or 7:30? I will, if you send that time, I will send the through WhatsApp, okay, Google form to you.
5:30, sir.
Students, you 5:30. Yeah.
No, sir. 6:30, sir.
Okay, you have to discuss through WhatsApp or mobile or email. Then you have to fix the time. You have to convey to our WhatsApp group. Okay, yeah. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Shall we wind up our class? Is there
sir.
any doubt? You have to ask. Otherwise, you have to wind up.
No doubt, sir.
No doubt. You are you are clearing about everything. Web page creation, getter, link, list, order list, unorder list. Everything you have to know. There is no clarification and suggestion. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, bye, pa. Bye, bye,
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
bye,
Hi, sir.
bye, bye, bye.